Hey everyone, I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Today we have another super important English lesson for you.
We're going to learn about some and any. These two little words confuse so many English learners.
But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use some and when to use any.
And we're going to learn through a fun story, real conversations, and lots of examples.
Are you ready? Let's get started. So, Mike, I have a problem. I want to cook dinner tonight for my friends.
That sounds nice. What are you going to cook?
I want to make pasta, but I need to go shopping first. I need to check what I have in my kitchen.
Okay, what do you have?
I have some milk, some cheese, and some tomatoes.
Did you hear that? Sarah said, I have some milk, some cheese, some tomatoes. She's talking about things that exist, things she has.
But I don't have any pasta. I also don't have any onions or any garlic.
And there it is. I don't have any pasta, any onions, any garlic. She's using any in negative sentences.
So I need to go to the store.
Let me explain the basic rule. It's actually quite simple. Some equals positive sentences. I have some apples. Any equals negative sentences. I don't have any apples. Any equals questions. Do you have any apples?
See? Simple pattern. Okay, let's continue the story. I'm at the grocery store now. Mike, you're the store clerk.
Hello, welcome. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Do you have any pasta?
Yes, we have some pasta. It's on aisle 3.
Notice, I asked, do you have any pasta? That's a question. Mike answered, we have some pasta. That's positive.
Do you need any help finding anything else?
Yes. Do you have any fresh tomatoes?
I'm sorry, we don't have any fresh tomatoes today, but we have some canned tomatoes.
Notice, we don't have any fresh tomatoes. Negative sentence. We have some canned tomatoes. Positive sentence.
Perfect example of how we use some and any in real conversations.
Let's look at more examples with some in positive sentences. I have some friends in New York. There is some water in the bottle. She bought some new clothes yesterday. We need some time to finish this project. He gave me some good advice. There are some restaurants near my house.
Let's practice. Sarah, tell me some things you have.
I have some books on my desk.
I have some coffee in my cup.
There are some flowers in the garden.
She has some experience in teaching.
All positive sentences, all using some.
Now let's practice with any in negative sentences. I don't have any friends in New York. There isn't any water in the bottle. She didn't buy any new clothes yesterday. We don't need any help right now. He didn't give me any advice. There aren't any restaurants near my house.
Notice how these are the opposite of the some sentences.
Let's practice negative sentences. Sarah, tell me things you don't have.
I don't have any pets.
I don't have any brothers or sisters.
There isn't any sugar in my coffee.
We don't have any meetings today.
All negative, all using any. Now the important part, questions. We usually use any in questions.
Let me ask you some questions, Sarah. Do you have any questions about English?
Yes, I have some questions. Notice, question uses any, but my answer is positive, so I use some.
Is there any milk in the refrigerator?
Yes, there is some milk.
Are there any good restaurants in your neighborhood?
Yes, there are some great restaurants.
Did you bring any snacks?
No, I didn't bring any snacks. Sorry.
Do you have any? Is there any? Are there any? Did you buy any? Can you give me any?
Wait, Mike, there's something important we need to tell everyone.
Oh yes, sometimes we can use some in questions.
This is when we're offering something or requesting something.
Let me show you. Sarah, would you like some coffee?
See, he's offering me coffee, so he uses some, not any.
Can I have some water, please?
He's requesting water politely, so he uses some.
Would you like some tea? Offering. Can I have some help? Requesting. Do you want some cake? Offering. Could you give me some advice? Requesting. Would you like some more coffee? Offering.
This is very common in polite conversation.
But remember, for normal questions, we still use any.
Let's practice with real conversations. Everyone at home, listen carefully.
Dialogue 1. At a cafe.
Excuse me, do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have some salads and some veggie sandwiches.
Great. Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Would you like some ice with that?
Yes, please.
Dialogue 2. At home. Honey, are there any eggs in the refrigerator?
Let me check. No, there aren't any eggs, but we have some bread.
Okay. Do we need any milk?
Yes, we don't have any milk either.
I'll go to the store and buy some.
Dialogue 3. At the office. Do you have any time to help me with this report?
Sorry, I don't have any time right now, but I have some time this afternoon.
That's fine. Can you give me some feedback later?
Sure, no problem. Time for a quiz. We'll give you sentences with blanks. Choose some or any.
Ready? Let's go.
Number 1. I have some friends coming to my party tonight. Some or any.
The answer is some. It's a positive sentence.
Number 2. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Some or any.
Any. It's a question.
Number 3. There isn't any coffee left in the pot. Some or any.
Any. It's a negative sentence.
Number 4. Would you like some cake? Some or any.
Some. It's an offer, so we use some in the question.
Number 5. She didn't give me any information. Some or any.
Any. It's negative.
Number 6. We saw some interesting movies last month. Some or any.
Some. It's positive.
Number 7. Can I borrow some money? Some or any.
Some. It's a request, so we use some.
Number 8. Are there any good cafes near here? Some or any.
Any. It's a normal question.
How did you do? Count your correct answers.
Let's talk about the mistakes English learners often make.
Mistake number 1. Using some in negative sentences.
I don't have some money. Check it. I don't have any money.
Mistake number 2. Using any in positive sentences.
I have any friends here. Check it. I have some friends here.
Mistake number 3. Using some in normal questions.
Do you have some time? Check it. Do you have any time?
But remember, if it's an offer or request, some is okay.
Would you like some time to think? This is fine. It's an offer.
Mistake number 4. Forgetting that any means it doesn't matter which one.
For example, you can take any book you want means take any book. It doesn't matter which one.
This is different from questions and negatives.
There's one more meaning of any we should mention.
Sometimes any means it doesn't matter which one or all options are okay.
For example, you can sit in any chair equals all chairs are okay. Call me any time equals all times are okay. Choose any color you like equals all colors are okay. Any student can join the club equals all students are welcome.
This is a positive meaning, but we still use any, not some.
It's like saying all or every. There's no limitation.
Let's use some and any in real situations.
Situation 1. Asking for directions. Excuse me, are there any banks near here?
Yes, there are some banks on Main Street. Is there any parking nearby? Yes, there's some parking behind the building.
Situation 2. At a party.
Would you like some snacks?
Yes, please. Do you have any vegetarian options?
Of course. We have some veggie pizza and some salad.
Perfect. I don't eat any meat, so that's great.
Situation 3. Planning a trip.
Do we have any plans for Saturday?
No, we don't have any plans yet. Do you have some ideas?
Yes, I have some suggestions. We could visit some museums or go to some parks.
Great. Let's make some plans tonight.
Quick pronunciation tip.
Some is pronounced some, rhymes with come.
But in fast speech, we often say it like sm. Very quick.
I have some apples instead of I have some apples.
Any is pronounced any, 2 syllables.
In fast speech, it sounds like any, very quick. I don't have any money instead of I don't have any money.
This is how native speakers talk in natural conversation.
Okay, everyone, let's do a final review.
Use some, positive sentences, I have some books, offers, would you like some tea, requests, can I have some water?
Use any, negative sentences, I don't have any books, questions, do you have any books? It doesn't matter which, take any book you want.
Easy memory trick. Some means something exists, offering, requesting. Any means asking, negative, it doesn't matter which.
Practice these rules every day.
The more you practice, the more natural it becomes.
We have a homework challenge for you.
Look around your room right now and make sentences.
Use some to describe things you have. I have some books on my desk. There are some pictures on the wall.
Use any to describe things you don't have. I don't have any plants in my room. There aren't any windows open.
Then ask someone a question using any. Do you have any pens I can borrow?
Write your sentences in the comments. We want to see them.